Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to deal with another problem, which is buy and sell stock, uh, variation 2. Okay. This is somewhat different from the problem which we have solved earlier. Okay. So, let's see what is the difference. The link to this problem will be in the description of this video. So, the problem says we are given an integer array prices of I is the price of a given stock on ith day. Okay, and on each day you may decide to buy or sell the stock. Okay, you can hold at most one share of stock at a time. However, you can buy it immediately and sell it on the same day. Okay, return the maximum profit. Okay, so let me tell you what is the difference. What is the difference basically, that is we are seeing in the problem which we have solved previously and the one which we are attempting now. So the difference is, जो problem हमने पहले solve किया था in the previous video, we were allowed to buy and sell only once, and like only once we were allowed to buy and sell, and what we needed to do was we needed to return the maximum profit through it. Okay, so only once we were buying and on any random day, and once we were selling on any random day, and through that we were able to find maximum profit. Now what here the problem says is, we can buy or sell as many number of times as we want, but condition is, once we buy, after that, if we want to buy again, so before that we have to sell. So buy, sell, and then only second time we can buy. We cannot just buy and then buy again and then buy again. No, if you are buying on any ith day, then after that you have to sell it before you have to buy again. Okay, so let's just not get confused anymore, and just go through this explanation and this output which has been explained here. So this is the array 715364 and output is 7. So we buy on day 2 when the price is 1, and we sell out on day 3 when the price is 5. So profit till now is 4. Okay, now again we buy on day 4. Okay, and then we sell on day 6. So profit is 6 minus 3, 3. So profit is 3. And then I think we cannot buy or sell because just one number is remaining. So initially we got a profit of 4, and then we got a profit of 3. So total profit is 3 or 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. So the difference you might have noticed is, we have bought and sell twice. Okay, so once we bought here and sold here, and then once again we bought here and sold here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, so there is a slight variation. Okay, so I hope you were able to get the variation. Now let's go through the intuition or logic of this problem. So what's the logic says? Logic says is, what we will do is, we will have a single loop, but I will start from index 1. Okay, I will start from index 1. Okay, single loop approach, and I will start from index 1. Okay, so it will start from index 1, or you would like, or like second position. Okay, so from second position. Okay, and what we will do is, on every position of I, we will compare if. Okay, we will compare if ARR of I is greater than ARR of I minus 1. So one position before I. Okay, and if this is true, then profit is equal to profit plus ARR of I minus ARR of I minus 1. Okay, so it's as simple as that. And initially we will declare int profit is equal to 0. Okay, initially we will declare this, and we will see. So it's as simple as that. So we are here. Now we will check if ARR of I, that is 1, is if 1 is greater than 7. So 1 is not greater than 7. So this will not be executed, I plus plus. Okay, I is here. Now we will see if this ARR of I is greater than ARR of I minus 1. So yes, 5 is greater than 1. So profit in this case would be the profit which is initially 0. So 0 plus 5 minus 1, that is 4. So profit is 4 currently. So then I plus plus. Then we will see if um, ARR of I is greater than ARR of I minus 1. So 3 is not greater than 5. So this will not be executed. Then again here. Okay. So now 6. So 6 is greater than 3. So profit will be profit plus, that is 4 plus 6 minus 3. 3. So 4 plus 3 becomes 7. And then again we will check if ARR of I is greater than ARR of I minus 1. So 4 minus 6 is okay. So 4 is not greater than 6. So again this will not be executed. So as simple as that, very simple, like nothing too much difficult in this. Okay, so let's go to let's just write the code. Int profit is equal to 0 for int I is equal to 0. I oh sorry, I will start from 1. Okay, so don't forget, I starts from 1. Okay, I starts from index 1. Okay, I is equal to 1. I less than prices dot length I plus plus. And then what? If prices of I is greater than prices of I minus 1, as simple as that. Okay, then profit is equal to profit plus prices of I minus prices of I minus 1. Okay, and at the end, once this is done, what we'll do is return profit. Simple, return profit. So I hope it was clear. The code is very simple. Let's try running it and see if we are getting any errors or not. Oh, oh, sorry, length. Okay, let's now try to submit it if all the test cases are passing. Okay, so yes, it is accepted. So it was simple, I guess. And so we need to start from index 1. We need to just check one if current is greater than previous location. If so, then increment profit by ARR of I minus ARR of I minus 1. Simple code. If prices of I is greater than prices of I minus 1, profit is equal to profit plus prices of I minus prices of I minus 1. At the end, return profit. Initialize profit with 0. Don't forget that I starts from 1 to the last position. Okay, so a very simple problem. Even though it is of medium level, it's a very simple problem. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching till end. If you think I have contributed to your logic building, please do like, and I will keep on posting such videos, and my only motive is to contribute to your logic building. So thank you everyone, and I hope to see you in next video. Thank you.